Are you looking for the best jackhammer? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best jackhammer that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Makita AVT Breaker jackhammer. When operating heavy-duty equipment, it's important to protect your hearing. It's easier to do that when working with a low noise level machine. The Makita AVT Breaker jackhammer works at 107 decibels, which is the lowest in its class. It comes with a 16 4-foot power cord and an ATEX switch for alternate power use. The anti-vibration system and fixed movement handles provide improved accuracy, and its advanced internal counterbalance system minimizes vibration. The unit features a helpful LED light that will let you know if there has been a switch failure or any cord damage. It more than makes up for its weight in its performance, especially for how low the vibrations are, wrote one customer. When I first used it, I thought something was wrong. Literally every other jackhammer I've used bounced around like crazy and wore me out. I always thought it was just one of those things you had to deal with. The Makita totally changed my mind about that. Up next in the 4th place is the CCTI Electric Demolition Hammer. The CCTI Electric Demolition Hammer is an excellent tool for breaking through or even just chipping thick concrete. With a hammer base, a 1-inch flat chisel, point chisel, safety mask, and accessories, this jackhammer comes with the whole package necessary to get the job done. Courtesy of its 33-pound weight, the corded electric jackhammer is compact and easy to handle. It has an impact force of 1/400 blows per minute too. Bought for digging out rock to level ground for slab, one customer wrote. Texas has so much rock just under the surface. Worked perfect. Cheaper than renting, and thought I'd just sell it to recoup some cash after the project. Surprisingly, I'm keeping this as it has proved very useful. According to another buyer, this jackhammer is powerful. It made quick work of an 8-inch thick concrete wall. The 3rd product on our list is the TR Industrial 300 Series jackhammer. With super fast demolition capabilities at 1/800 blows per minute and a 20-foot long cord, the TR Industrial 300 Series jackhammer is an excellent choice for construction workers. It has a 360-degree swivel handle for better control and a lightweight construction for ease of use. It comes with 1 ballpoint bit and 1 flat chisel, an oil bottle, 2 hex wrenches, safety goggles, work gloves, and carbon brushes, all packed away in a rolling case. This tool has exceeded our expectations and was a great purchase, wrote one reviewer. I am using it to bust up 6-inch concrete from our driveway and patio, and it is doing fine. I have run it continuously for 4 hours and not had a problem with it overheating. The cord is a really good length, and putting it together the first time instructions are easy. Second on our list is the XtremepowerUS heavy-duty jackhammer kit. Any shoppers who are new to jackhammers and are in need of all the necessary equipment, the XtremepowerUS heavy-duty jackhammer kit is a good first purchase. It operates at 1/800 blows per minute for efficient work. The kit comes with ballpoint and flat chisels, protective gloves and goggles, a mask, hex wrenches, and a carrying case. This jackhammer is strong enough for construction workers, but user-friendly enough for DIYers. Many reviewers commented on how, for the price of a single-day rental, this jackhammer gets the job done quickly and easily. I am not a concrete worker, but have worked in various other trades, explained one customer. I was very impressed with it. I used it to break up a footer. It easily broke it up. It seems to be very well built and outperformed my expectations, especially for the price. Finally, the top product on our list is the TR Industrial 100 Series jackhammer. Anyone looking to speed up their digging time would benefit from the TR Industrial 100 Series jackhammer. This electric jackhammer comes equipped with a spade bit, as well as a point and flat bit to handle just about any job. It includes work gloves and safety goggles and comes with a blow-molded plastic case. This hammer has a standard 6-foot power cord and is ETL safety certified. 2 years after purchase, it's still going strong, one reviewer wrote. The hammer has been used a lot over the last 2 years, and it has held up well. Post holes, tree planting, breaking up the concrete like Arizona soil, trenching, pounding in pickets, and breaking up concrete. This unit has done it all here on our farm. We have mostly used the spade bit, which is terrific for digging. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.